If you want to download ByBit on your computer, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So without further ado, let's dive in. So ByBit does have a few options in terms of installing onto devices, but unfortunately the desktop or a laptop is not one of them. So if you're using the Windows operating system, this is not a straightforward process. However, there is a way to do this. So this is the ByBit homepage, or this is their homepage now without me even signing in. And you can actually see that I'm currently in my Chrome browser. Now, if you go to the top right hand side and you tap on the three dots, you can come all the way down here and you will find a tab over here that says cast, save, and share. Now, once you're in here, you can actually see an option that says install page as app. Now, once you click on this, you'll see this is the page URL. And we're going to click on install. This will actually be installed as an app. So if I go out like this over here, you'll actually find that it will be on your desktop or it will be on your list of apps. So you can actually open this as an independent app straight from your device. Now, if you're not using Chrome and you're using Edge, perhaps you can actually do very much the same thing by going to the top right hand side. Again, this is the homepage, and you're going to come down to apps. And here you can see it says install this site as an app. You're going to simply click on this, and again, you're going to click on install. You can see now that this will be installed as an app on your desktop. So you won't have to go into Chrome and search for the address or even click on the bookmarked address. This will now be an independent app on your Windows computer.